So here we will be discussing about revolution of the earth. We have already discussed rotation. I hope rotation is clear. Revolution. So earth revolves around the sun and it takes 365 days or a year to complete one revolution. Now it's very important here to learn few things. First thing, what is orbit? Because you're going to understand orbit time and again, this word is going to come many times. Orbit, orbit is Earth's path as it revolves around the sun. So this blue line is Earth's orbit. Okay, and this purple line is moon's orbit. Moon also revolves around the earth and moon with earth revolves around the sun as well. But moon's orbit will be this. Now when we see this orbit, there are two times in a year when earth is closest to the sun and earth is farthest from the sun. Please remember these dates because you have to fill up an assignment later. The time when Earth is closest to the Sun, that time of the year is January 2. On January 2, Earth is closest to the Sun and this particular time is called as perihelion. Perihelion is the time when Earth is closest to the Sun. So remember, now the time when while revolving Earth goes away from the sun, the farthest point is on July 2nd. So on July 2nd, Earth is has a maximum distance with the sun. Can you see this distance line? So here it is closest and here it is farthest. This is called as aphelion. It happens on July 2. So please remember the dates. I remember aphelion with away, far, and perihelion with pass. I could not find any word other than this there for it. So when sun and earth are closest, that is called as pass. Close is pass, nazdeek. So this pass point is perihelion and the farthest is aphelion. Now when you see the shape of the orbit, this blue circle, it is not exact circle, it is elliptical. So remember, this orbit of the earth is elliptical in shape. uh, Moon's closest and farthest point is not in syllabus, but still you can remember, when moon is closest to the earth it is called as perigee, and when it is farthest it is called as apogee. You will learn about perigee and apogee later in tides, so better you understand it now. So you can see here, this is earth, this is moon. So when moon is closest, it is called as perigee, pass, and apogee is away, far. All right. Now, time. The time it takes for the earth to make one complete revolution around the sun is called as a year, and 1 year is divided into 365 days and months and weeks that you all know. One revolution takes 365 days. This I have already told you about leap year earlier. So one rotation takes 23 hours and some minutes. So these minutes get calculated, compiled, and every 4th year we have a leap year. Now what causes seasons is really important to understand. The speed of the Earth's revolution is 1 lakh 8,000 kilometer per hour, which is very high. Okay, so when we understand the speed, then we will understand the seasons. Seasons are caused by Earth's revolution around the sun. Okay, the unchanging tilt of the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted only on one side. It doesn't change whether Earth is at aphelion or perihelion. The tilt is on one side only, it doesn't change. Okay, now you see the earth is tilted. Northern hemisphere, including India, is closest to the sun. But southern hemisphere, that is Australia or any part of the southern hemisphere, southern part of Africa, South America, are away from the sun. So during this time, it will be a summer season in the northern hemisphere, the portion which is closest to the sun, but the portion which is away from the sun will have winter season. So this is how the tilt of the earth affects the season. If there is a question how tilt of the earth affects the season, you have to say earth is tilted on its axis, and the portion of the earth, the hemisphere of the earth which is towards the sun, which is closest towards the sun, will have summer season because it will receive direct sun rays, and sun rays will also reach that portion in a short span of time. So that portion will have summer, the other portion which is away will have winters.